Made with Love from
Maya.
What's up, perfectly blended family, and welcome back to another video. I'm Chantel, and guys, here in Toronto, we are expecting another big snowstorm. Plus, we have so much that's going on. But before we get into it, guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so when we drop a new video, you're alerted. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so first off, I want to start this vlog by giving thanks. I am so grateful for the mild weather we have had so far this winter. Now, we're expecting a snowstorm today, and everybody's gearing up for it. It literally just started snowing. I dropped Greg off to work, and it's coming down, and the winds are picking up. So we'll see how today plays out with the storm. They haven't canceled the kids' buses, so we're just keeping an eye on the weather. And you guys know, well, most of you guys know that I don't like cold, and neither does Danny. Everybody else seems to be able to tolerate it here living in Toronto, but Danny and I are like, nah, we don't like the cold. All right, guys, so I want to give you a sneak peek of what it looks like here in Toronto. So come take a look. All right, so as you guys can see, the snow is just coming down lightly. It's not too much right now, but it's expected to get worse. So we're all preparing for that. Next, guys, is Jasmine starts ballet today, and she's super excited. Now, the plan is her godmother's supposed to be picking her up from daycare and taking her over to ballet class with her cousin Paige. Now, we don't know if that's going to happen. If we're expecting this big snowstorm and it starts later on in the evening, well, I should say it starts to get a little heavier in the evening, they might just cancel the classes. So we're going to be playing things by ear, but if it gets canceled, she'll just have to go next week. And it is what it is. And now, guys, the other thing that's really crazy, let me go over here and sit and talk to you guys. All right, guys, this is much better. Okay, so the other thing is Danny's graduating this year, guys. He's going into grade 1 starting September. He's currently in senior kindergarten. We call that SK here. And I didn't even take that in until I got an email from the school this morning stating that any parents who wish to enroll their child in French immersion can do so now, and we are provided a link. So I said to Greg while I was in the car, I'm like, oh my goodness, Danny's definitely growing up. He's graduating this year. How crazy is that? So that's on my to-do list for today. Register Danny into French immersion. That's crazy, guys. Anyways, Danny's graduation isn't until June, so we have a lot of time to plan and prepare for his big day. Now, the next thing that's on the agenda for today, guys, is Amaya and I are supposed to be baking gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. Now, the last time we made these cookies, Amaya shared some with her friend at school, and she told me that her friend really liked them. So she got invited to her friend's birthday, and I said, you know what, as a gift, why don't we just make the gluten-free chocolate chip cookies? And Amaya thought it was a great idea. I'm like, yeah, let's do it. So I stopped at the store and picked up some supplies, and I'm like, you know what? Yeah, me and Amaya are going to throw it down in the kitchen. We're going to get to baking, and we're going to make these cookies with love for her friend. All right, guys, so that's what's up today. I'm excited, and it kind of almost works out. So, if Jasmine's ballet classes get canceled, well, I think baking cookies will cheer her up. She'd love to do that with her sister. So that's the plan. We'll see how the storm unfolds. Sometimes, guys, we don't get it so bad. Like, we hear, like, oh, it's going to be a big storm, and we just get, like, a bit of snow. It's not that bad. So I'm hoping that the day unfolds the way the kids want it to, and everyone gets to do what they want to do. And if not, and we're stuck inside this evening, we're baking cookies. It's going to be lit. All right, guys, I'll check in with you later.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, so I'm making a patty for lunch and thought I would give you guys an update with the weather. So let's go take a look, see what it looks like outside. Snow's still coming down. Oh, for sure. Okay, take a look at this, guys. All right, guys, so that's definitely more snow on the ground, and it doesn't seem like it's slowing down. So another reason why I want to live in a warm place where there is no snow. I mean, driving this evening, if it continues, is going to be terrible. So I'm going to have to leave earlier to get Amaya and Danny. If ballet's not canceled, it's those two. And if ballet is canceled, it's all of them. But man, this is what life is like living in Toronto, guys.
3 hours later.
All right, guys, so the kids like just got to daycare, so I'm about to leave the house, and my mom calls me, and she's like, have you seen outside? And I'm like, actually, in the last couple hours or few hours, no, I haven't. She's like, take a look outside. I hope you're leaving now. I'm like, yeah, I was literally just getting up to leave. Guys, I go and I look outside the window here, and it's crazy. Take a look at this. So yeah, guys, I have to leave right now and take my time to get the kids. I'm gonna have to drive like super slow. And Jasmine's godmother called me, and we decided that we're not taking the kids because outside is crazy. Even though the rec center didn't call and email us to say that ballet lessons are canceled. But come on, look outside. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get the kids. I'll check back in with you guys once I'm back home.
Hey guys, so we just came back from daycare. Mom just picked us up. My hair is not cooperating with me. Oh my gosh. We just came back from daycare. Mom picked us up, and it's looking pretty bad on the streets. Like,
Trying to get home quickly.
yeah, trying to get home as soon as we can. Mom actually picked us up early.
Because if we waited any longer, the snowstorm would get badder and badder. So
Yeah, worse.
We want to get home safe.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know what, since it's a snowstorm and Jasmine is not going to ballet today, I got all the supplies to make the gluten-free cookies for Zion Guy.
Oh.
So I figured we can just bake the cookies tonight.
Zaga's birthday is tomorrow.
Well, happy early birthday to her. Yeah.
She's turning 12.
That's crazy.
For real.
So I thought maybe we could work as a team to make her birthday cookies. How does
Yeah.
that sound?
Yeah.
How was school, guys?
good.
It was good.
So, guys, when we first got to school, it wasn't bad, but when I got to daycare, it was worse.
Right. Yeah. The storm came on strong. And it's supposed to go until like tomorrow morning.
Well, we'll see you guys when we get home.
Much later. They're attacking me. Cheeseburgers! Cheeseburgers! Help!
What are you guys doing?
Cheeseburgers!
Jasmine?
Sorry.
Jeannie? Oh my goodness.
Cheeseburgers!
How are you holding up?
They're being so loud.
Right? Guys, stop. Stop! All right, guys, so it's way later. We're home now, and the kids are super wild. I heard through the grapevine that school's supposed to be canceled tomorrow, but we're not sure that it is because Greg had a friend drop him off, and Greg says the roads aren't really that bad. Like, it's melting.
The main road had, like, it was clear. But the side roads, they're definitely messy still.
Yeah.
It really depends on how much snow we continue to get overnight.
Yeah. So, anyways, I hope school's still on, and I hope the roads are clear by morning time. That's my hope. Now, we're supposed to be making cookies for Amaya's friend. And we have so much to do. I got caught up with work. I'm still going to try to push it and get it done because I have to keep my word to my kids. But these cookies don't take long to make. It takes 20 minutes tops. So I'm going to get that started. And we're going to see how it goes because...
We got to do our challenge.
And we got to do our challenge. Oh my gosh, do we have to do it tonight?
Yeah, we got to do it now. Then you can do your cookies.
Oh, come on.
I know.
Challenge is priority. Slackers.
All right, you know what? It is what it is.
I trained legs yesterday. Then I did the squats, the pistol squat challenge last night. Today my legs are fried.
So why don't you just take a break?
There's no breaks because it's the rules. We said it. 5 days. If everybody's here, we're doing it. That's it.
All right. You know what, guys? We're going to get this challenge over with, and we're going to make cookies before bedtime. All right, let's just get this thing going.
A little later.
All right, guys, so we're in from doing the pistol squat challenge. We did that so quickly. I'm so proud of us because it's getting so late, and I really want to get these cookies done and then get to bed. The kids have karate tomorrow, and then Amaya's with her dad on the weekend, so technically this is the only day I can help her make the cookies for her friends. So we're going to get it done. We're going to get started. They are just finishing up their last snack for the day, their bedtime snack.
Mom, my sister's in school.
Well, we don't know yet. Danny, what are you eating?
Healthy.
You're eating healthy?
Apples.
Apples.
And peanut butter.
And peanut butter. Compliments of Amaya, helping her brother out, cutting up some apples, and sharing with him. Thanks, Mike.
You're welcome.
All right, so I'm going to give you guys like a couple minutes to finish that up, and then we're going to get started? All right, sounds good.
10 minutes later.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. It's so simple to make these. The ingredients are right here on the box, and you just follow the instructions, okay? Or directions, whichever. So let's get it done. So Danny and Jasmine are upstairs. They're supposed to be showering, so I'm not sure if they're going to finish in time to join us, but maybe we'll save some dough for them to roll up and bake, because usually I make like 2 batches with this, okay? All right, so let's open the box, and let's pour it into this bowl. And pour it all in. Was that Danny?
Mom, why do you have to get my pajamas on?
Buddy, you need to go shower. It's getting late, and then you can come down and help us make cookies.
I want to put this on and then go shower.
No, buddy. All right, cool. So you got all that in? Sweet. Okay, what's next? It's the side of the box.
You hit oven
Yep, the oven's heating. The temperature?
350
Yep, it's
Fahrenheit.
Yep, done.
Um,
Then what's next?
butter,
Butter, how much?
half a cup.
Half a cup? All right, let's get half a cup. All right, so if you take a look, it's going to be awkward to cut. So if you just cut that line there and take all of that, yeah, that's half. Yeah, perfect. All right, babe, so just right into the bowl. Oh my goodness, guys, if you hear all the yelling and screaming upstairs, Jasmine and Danny are supposed to be in the shower, and this is their routine every night. This is what they do. They scream, they carry on until someone has to go up there and tell them to get out the shower. It's crazy. It's usually me, Amaya, or Greg. You gonna go up there and tell them to come out?
I already did.
So what's next?
One
So we-
teaspoon of water.
Okay, so let's get 1 teaspoon of water. Are you sure it said teaspoon or tablespoon? Did it have a B in the... Yeah, just double check that. It might be a table. Or you could be right, can't remember. Does it say TBSP or it's a B in there? Oh, that's tablespoon.
Delete that.
No, you're learning. It's totally
No,
fine.
delete
Amaya, it's okay to make
that.
mistakes. It's okay. All right, Amaya's got the tablespoon. Pour it in. Perfect. Awesome job. And then is there anything else we need to add to this? I think it's an egg.
I want to do an egg.
Ooh.
Yes, it takes 1 egg. Jazz, can you get us 1 egg?
Yes.
Thank you.
Does it have to be room temperature?
No, it doesn't have to be room temperature. You're going to crack it, Amaya?
I want to crack it.
Awesome.
Can I do the other ingredient?
So, Jazz, we put the other ingredients in already, but what you can do now is help us mix it.
I want to mix.
Okay.
First.
All right, grab a chair and I'll set you up. We're going to let her help a little bit, okay? Stop.
She was supposed to go to bed 30 minutes ago.
She was. But she's going to mix and help with a few rolling of the dough and go to bed, okay? Maya, stop.
Oh, is that salt or sugar? On the cheese.
That's butter.
No, butter. Is there salt or
There's no salt
sugar
in
on the
there.
butt?
Sugar, yes, there's sugar in the mix, yes. All right, Jess, so mix it up.
Ew,
I'm feeling your poop.
Guys, come on, I want to go to bed. You call that mixing, Jess?
You're having a cap in your rat. Oh, you know what I did.
All right. You need some help?
Yeah.
No, I
Susie
don't.
does. Bin.
All right, pass it to Amaya.
There you go. Spoon,
All right.
spoon. What if I stay? Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Why is Danny saying you're mean?
I don't know. Well, first of all, I didn't soap him up.
What?
But he soaped himself up, and I watched him, and he was doing perfect. No, I was soaping up, and she just took the rag from my hand and threw it on the floor.
What?
Of course you would. The thing is back
So
That's terrible.
So she,
on your face.
I was holding it, and then she just did that and did that. It's because he was.
That's not nice.
I was in a mood by that time, so like
It doesn't
he
matter,
put the soap on first and didn't wet the towel. So I'm like, no, that's not how you did it. Threw it on the floor.
That's not nice, Jasmine. Can you please apologize to him?
And she said, I'm not. And she said, I'm not getting your towel.
Jasmine, that's not nice. Seriously. You okay, Danny? All right, you gonna help us? Okay, let's go. All right, that looks really good, Mai. Danny, do you want to try to give this a stir? Okay.
Can I try giving this after Danny again?
Yep. Good job.
It already looks like the picture.
So your friend.
Yo.
Oh, Danny, can you put that in there? Yep.
I see all the chocolate chips. Can I go now? Not yet. Last one, okay?
Okay.
And she can go.
All right. That looks good. Do you want me to give it one little stir up and then we'll start putting them onto the pan?
I'm putting the butter in.
We already did that. It's done now. We gotta make sure everything's good.
We have to roll them after this.
Yes. Jean, you can't be biting your finger. Go wash your hands. You have to go wash your hands. You have to wash your hands.
Then you're not touching it.
You can't touch this. You licked your fingers.
I didn't. I
Okay.
didn't. My hands are clean.
You just came out the shower.
I
You're
washed
good.
my
I'm gonna
hands.
make a shake for
Yes,
her.
I did with my water bottle.
No.
Ew,
Gotta go
that's
get
even worse.
Okay, Maya, so you're going to take some and roll them into a ball. Okay? If you make it that big, it's going to be a really big cookie. And I bought her this box, so we're going to put some paper in it and then put the cookies in. So you want to make it a good size so we can give her a good amount. So then we just roll it up. And it
Does
should
it
make...
matter what, like, is it that good?
No, it doesn't matter. We're gonna keep some, right? And we're gonna give her some because it makes, I think, 24.
Do you even have space so they don't bleed into each other?
Been wanting them so bad.
Right? Dana, are you coming?
No.
Alright guys, so Danny's a bit upset because he was biting his nails and I told him to go wash his hands and he went into the fridge and got his water bottle and tried to sprinkle the water on his fingers and then tell us that he washed his hands. That is not how you wash your hands. So he's upset that he had to go to the washroom and use soap and wash his hands.
Yelled at me.
And his dad told him firmly, go wash your hands because he wasn't listening. But we're good now, right? That looks like a good dough. You're rolling it into a good ball.
It does not look like a ball.
No, it doesn't look like a ball.
So what does it look like?
It looks like a mushroom.
A mushroom?
Alright guys, so Danny and Jazz helped us out. You guys did a great job. Thank you so much. They're going to say goodnight to you guys because they got to go to bed.
No!
Danny, say
Good
goodnight.
night. Good night.
Alright guys, so it's just me and Amaya. We're just doing the second batch right now. And she's doing a great job. Honestly, this message is for your friend Zainkai. Zainkai, Amaya could have just did all this all by herself. You don't need me. It's pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Hey Google, stop. Yeah.
We're
I wonder what happened to that one. Looks good.
look at how tiny that one.
Alright. Yep. Hey Google,
Set timer for 11 minutes.
Okay, 11 minutes.
perfect.
Starting now.
11 minutes later. Stop.
Perfect. Oh, those look good. Yummy.
Can I say? Hi guys.
Shouldn't you be in bed?
Yes, it's my bedtime. But I went to go get some water and then the alarm rung. I'm like, the cookies are ready.
Alright, so this is the second batch.
Where's the first?
Just over there.
What happened to that one? And
I
that
don't know.
one?
We don't know, but they're still good. Alright guys, so the cookies are all done and Amaya is just putting this little bow topper on the cookie box we want to give to her friend. It's so cute. So she's just hot gluing it on. Make sure there's enough glue to stick because it's like a sparkly, gritty type of lid. You want it to hold. Aww. Perfect. Done deal. That is so cute. And this is the card Mommy chose for her friend. I thought this was really cute. Do you want to read it to them?
It's so easy to celebrate a good friend like you. Wishing a truly wonderful friend a truly wonderful birthday.
Aw, so sweet and to the point. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Now, for the fun part, we get to taste one. Make sure it's good.
Oh, yay.
All right, we'll try one.
It's good.
Yeah?
But crunchy.
Crunchy? Okay. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Good, but crunchy. Okay, Mai. You get to pick the ones you want to give to her from both trays. That might be it. What do you think? Yeah?
So aesthetic.
All right. Let's see this. Yeah? Or is it too full?
It's good.
Yeah? Okay, good. Aw, that's like so cute, Amaya. Oh. Made with love from
Maya.
Maya. Aw, that's really cute. a good job. Really proud of you. Oh, wait, Maya, this. Let me put that in nicely. Put that in. Perfect. Awesome. All right. Made with love. A lot of love. How do you think that went?
Good.
Think your friend's gonna like it? That's good. All right, guys, it is late. I am so tired, but I'm the type of mom when I tell my kids I'm gonna do something, I like to follow through. So at least the other two are in bed, and this is Amaya. She's up to this late anyways, guys. Like, it's 11. She needs to go to bed. So I
took a nap after school and made me feel so refreshed.
She did take a nap. Yes. Guys, Amaya's getting older. She's taking naps now. Remember when you never used to like naps? I could never get you to nap. Oh my goodness.
And how old was I?
You were young. Definitely
Exactly.
younger than Danny.
Exactly.
But now you like your naps. Yes, they're so like refreshing, re-energizing. Anyways, I just wanted to update the fam quickly about your phone. You want to show them the case you got? Guys, she did find a case. We did a little bit of hunting because there were none at some of the local stores. So we went to the flea market. Actually, my mom took her over to the flea market, and she found a temporary case. This is my understanding because Amaya wants a custom case that's like $40.
Yeah. Yo, wait, hold up.
That's her favorite wrapper. You want to show them the actual case? Like, I think it's really nice. It's just the texture. You can't put like a pop socket on it. Or maybe you can. I don't know if it will hold. But guys, she has been using the phone for the most part wisely.
As much as I would be using the iPad.
Thing is, they get so consumed to it, and I don't like it because like there's just so much influence. Just like how Jasmine copies you, you're copying what you see on there, and you're only 11. All right, guys. So far, so good with the phone. And you know what, Amaya? I think we better shout out your friend. Yes, by the time she sees this video, her birthday would have passed. So we want to give a huge shout out to Kai. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
One of your best friends, right?
Yeah.
Because you have a few.
Yep.
Anyways, guys. What, Amaya? We need to go to bed.
Every time I look at it.
Oh my goodness. 11-year-old and her crush. Who's your crush?
Dee, D-Dot, and Nadi.
Okay, well, shout out to them too.
Yeah, Didi's coming to my party, guys.
All right.
I invited him.
All right. Well,
He's welcome to come.
shout out to all of Maya's crushes, and shout out to Kai. Happy birthday, Kai. I hope you had a wonderful birthday. And yeah, guys, that's what's up. We're going to end the vlog tonight. But before we do, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell
up there.
because we don't want you to miss a thing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.